Hello everyone! Are you curious about how to choose a bike to aid in weight loss? Let's find out! Selecting the right bike to support your weight loss goals involves considering factors that prioritize comfort, efficiency, and versatility for effective exercise and calorie burning. Here's what to look for when choosing a bike for weight loss. Firstly, consider the type of riding you'll be doing to support your weight loss journey. For general fitness and weight loss, a versatile and efficient bike, such as a hybrid, road, or fitness bike, is ideal. These bikes typically offer a comfortable riding position, efficient rolling tires, and a lightweight frame that's conducive to longer rides in varied terrain. Choose a bike that suits your riding preferences and provides a balance of comfort and performance for effective calorie burning and cardiovascular exercise. Secondly, prioritize comfort and fit to ensure an enjoyable and sustainable riding experience. Look for a bike with an adjustable saddle height, ergonomic handlebars, and a comfortable riding position that minimizes strain on your back, neck, and wrists. Consider features such as suspension forks or seat posts to absorb vibrations and bumps from rough roads, enhancing comfort during longer rides. Opt for a bike with a frame size and geometry that accommodates your body proportions and allows for proper leg extension while pedaling. Thirdly, assess the bike steering and drivetrain for efficient climbing and speed control. Choose a bike with a wide range of gears that allows you to tackle hills and varied terrain with ease, maintaining a consistent cadence and effort level. Consider bikes with compact or triple chainring setups for easier climbing and lower gear ratios for faster pedaling on flat roads. Opt for quality components and smooth shifting drivetrains to ensure reliable performance and efficient power transfer while riding. Furthermore, consider practical features and accessories to enhance your weight loss journey. Look for bikes with mounting points for racks, fenders, and water bottle cages to carry essentials like hydration, snacks, and gear during longer rides. Invest in a comfortable pair of cycling shorts and shoes with stiff soles for efficient power transfer and reduced fatigue during workouts. Consider accessories such as bike computers or GPS units to track your progress, monitor your heart rate, and set fitness goals to stay motivated and accountable. Additionally, factor in your budget and value considerations when choosing a bike for weight loss. Determine your budget based on your fitness goals, riding aspirations, and long-term commitment to cycling for weight loss. Consider the overall value proposition of a bike, including its features, components, build quality, and long-term maintenance costs, to ensure you're investing in a bike that meets your needs and provides lasting enjoyment and fitness benefits. In summary, choosing a bike for weight loss involves prioritizing comfort, efficiency, versatility, and practicality for effective exercise and calorie burning. By considering factors such as riding type, comfort features, gearing and drivetrain, practical accessories, budget, and value, you can select a bike that supports your weight loss goals and provides a rewarding and sustainable riding experience. So, take your time, explore your options, and find the perfect bike to kickstart your journey to a healthier, fitter you. Thank you for watching. Please follow for more related videos and see you later. Goodbye.